Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on one-step problems. One-step problems are the most straightforward problems we can solve. These normally involve a single operation. The challenge is to read the problem carefully and decide which operation to use. So the first example, the following number of cars entered the car park over a 4-day period. So there's the information there, showing the number of cars for each day. What was the total number over the 4 days? So if you read the problem carefully and read the question, it says total number. So from that information, we know that addition is involved. So these are the 4 numbers that we were given. So if we add those together, we have a total of 2,057 cars. So remember from previous videos, that's the ones column, the tens column and the hundreds column, and these numbers here indicate the trading. Example 2. If the average wage for each of 6 employees is $857 per week, what is the total wage bill for the whole week? Now, we're being asked for the total wage bill. Now the first thing you could do is you could add 857 6 times. You could actually do that, and that would give you the answer. However, the short way is if you do multiplication. So if you had 857 6 times, that's the same as going 857 times 6. So multiplication is the most efficient operation to use. So 6 sevens are 42, there's your 2 and there's your 4. 6 fives are 30, plus 4 is 34, and 6 eights are 48, and 3 is 51, so it's $5,142. The third example, at a sports game there were 67,534 spectators. If there were 34,658 females, how many males were present? So if you read that carefully, you will see that subtraction is required. So we take the total number of spectators, which is 67,534, and we take away 34,658, which is the number of females, and that should leave us with the number of males. So here's the information here which indicates the trading, and we did quite a few examples of those in previous videos. So if you read that very, very carefully, have a look at it, just go one column at a time, and I think you'll be able to work out that that is the correct working, and the answer is 32,876 males. So this has been a very short video which has given you an introduction into problem solving where only one step is required. Now the important thing is to read the problem carefully and decide which operation is required.